Hey guys, I'm Vivian
And I'm Huimin
We are from 5 students.
from SMK Pusat Bandar Puchong
We are going to show you the 4 experiments we have done,
which are flaming flask, invisible ink, sublimation of iodine, and underwater fireworks.
Yay!
To do the invisible ink experiment, the materials you need are lemon, water, cotton bud, white paper, candle, matches, and 2 small beakers. The lemon is cut half and the lemon juice is squeezed into a small beaker. Then, some water is added into the lemon juice in the beaker and is mixed well. A matchstick is used to light up the candle. A cotton bud is dipped into the lemon juice mix. By using the cotton bud, a message is written on a piece of white paper. Oh look, it's Petrosains. The paper is left aside to dry. After that, the paper is heated by holding it with the written side down near the head of the candle. When the paper is heated up, the invisible ink writing slowly becomes brown and visible. A few minutes later, the words written previously are seen on the paper. This is because lemon juice contains of carbon compounds. These compounds have almost no color when you dissolve them in water. When the paper is heated, the heat causes some of the chemical bonds to break down, freeing the carbon. Once the carbon came into contact with the air, oxidation occurs and the substances then turn light or dark brown. Materials such as conical flask, concentrated hydrochloric acid, aluminum foil, copper 2 chloride and matches are prepared. By using a dropper, the concentrated hydrochloric acid is added slowly into the conical flask. The copper 2 chloride is added into the hydrochloric acid in the conical flask by using a spatula. A solution of copper 2 chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid is now prepared. Conical flask is swirled slowly and carefully. Next, some aluminium foil is added into the mixture of the conical flask. When the aluminum reacted with concentrated hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas, a matchstick is used to light up the conical flask. A blue flame is observed. This is because aluminum by itself is a very reactive metal. However, aluminum is oxidized when exposed to air, forming a thin layer of protective aluminum oxide on its surface. When some aluminum foil is added to a solution of copper 2 chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid, the layer of aluminum oxide will be destroyed by chloride ions. The exposed aluminum metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, producing hydrogen gas. Then, hydrogen gas is ignited. The color of the flame is blue or green due to the presence of copper 2 ions.
For this experiment, we need concentrated sulfuric acid, ethanol, potassium permanganate, retort stem with clamp, boiling tube, and a dropper. Firstly, clamp the boiling tube vertically on the retort stem with clamp. Then, add some concentrated sulfuric acid into the boiling tube by using a dropper. Tilt the boiling tube a little so that ethanol can be added carefully. After that, carefully add some ethanol into the sulfuric acid such that two layers of liquid are formed. Finally, add a tiny amount of potassium permanganate into the mixture. Now, we can see that the oxygen bubbles and a precipitate of manganese dioxide are formed. After a while, a violent reaction starts. We can observe little explosions with bright flashes in the mixture. This is because when concentrated sulfuric acid and potassium permanganate reacts, manganese heptoxide, which is a highly reactive compound, is formed. Then, the manganese heptoxide reacts with ethanol, giving bright flashes in the boiling tube. We can see that manganese heptoxide is highly unstable compound. It initiates a reaction in which ethanol is oxidized. Thus, a little explosion with bright flashes occurs. this experiment, we need some elemental iodine, ice cubes, matches, beaker, round bottom flask, Bunsen burner, tripod stand, and a wire gauze. Firstly, put the elemental iodine into the beaker. Then, place the beaker on the tripod stand and heat it with a Bunsen burner. At room temperature, elemental iodine is a black bluish solid. When solid iodine is heated, it undergoes sublimation and enters the gas phase. Thus, iodine vapor is observed. Afterwards, place a round bottom flask containing ice on the beaker to cool down the iodine vapor. After some time, iodine crystals are formed on the lower surface of round bottom flask. This is because when iodine vapor is cooled down by the cold surface of round bottom flask, the process of sublimation occurs again, which turns iodine vapor into iodine crystal.